We are here today to take the Disrupt Speciesism challenge on behalf of our fellow Earthlings, the animals of the planet. Whilst the company is making huge profits, the animals are stripped of everything they have. Their families are taken away from them. They live their entire lives in captivity and then they're violently killed. It's not food, it's violence.
Animals killed, sold and eaten here did not want to die. It's not
food, it's violence. As a society that claims to be animal lovers, how long are we going to participate in the biggest injustice in our time? There is no moral justification for animal slaughter. Take the animals off your menu. They deserve to live just as much as you or I. It's not food, it's violence.
The animals on your plate did not want to die. Stop killing animals. You do not have the right to kill animals. It's not
food, it's violence. They live in fear, torment, suffering and agony. That's the main ingredients in your meals. It's not food, it's violence.
We challenge you
about something we can't even remember.
It's violence against the most innocent of animals.
It's violence. Somewhere right now, a cow is crying out for its babies.
Would you like to come over?
It's not food, it's violence.
Look into their eyes and hear their cries and tell them their rights don't matter.
It's not food, it's violence. The animals that were murdered for your meals wanted to live. They were murdered in the most violent, horrific way. It's not food, it's violence.
The cows, pigs, and chickens wanted to live just as much as your dogs and cats you love in your own home. We're asking you today to see this animal. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. We're asking you today to see these animals as the individuals they are. There is no such thing as human slaughter. You can't humanly kill somebody who wants to live.
It's not food, it's violence. Please change your ways, go vegan. Save the lives of millions of innocent animals that are brutally murdered all around the planet. Please stop eating them. It's not food, it's violence.
Each animal fought for its life till its last breath. It did not have a choice to live. We don't have the right to take animals' lives. It's not
food, it's violence. It's not food, it's violence. It's not food, it's violence. It's not food, it's violence.
I'm excited to change